What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2-minute drill. Well, if you watched the 2-minute drill last night, sounds like a broken record now, huh? If I keep on saying, if you watch the 2-minute drill, well, I'll tell you what, it sets you up for a goddamn successful day. If I do mind patting my own self on the back, but in all seriousness, if you really did watch it yesterday, you saw the action happen, right? What did you see happen? Going into today, you knew first off we were going to get extremely rangy, like even worse than Monday and Tuesday. Let's go to the 15 minutes so we can see, right? You knew. Okay. And look what happened. Look at this. That is as rangy as it gets. But now, okay. But now I want to go to the 5-minute because a lot of people trade on the 5-minute. Not the biggest fan of the 5-minute. I do go there for entries. I do mostly watch. The majority of my day, though, is on the 30-minute and above. But we will take a look here. All right. So check me out here. If you would have seen, you just chopped all day long. Okay. Between the opening range low and the opening range high, really, you could have drawn a price level target about right here. Okay. And would have seen we never got low below that. Okay. Now, what happened though when FMOC? Okay. This is where it came out. Right? We'll go to 11 o'clock. Okay. At first, I said we go up, down, up. Well, we went up, then we closed down. Then we had another 5-minute candle hold this level. Then what happened? We went up. Okay. So we went up, down, up. We called that perfectly to a T. And then what happened? Then we started to sell because we could not get through which level? Let's get up here. We couldn't get through the opening, the high. Bulls just couldn't put enough together. Then, as you know, a lot of our group, we took the calls off the bottom. Great play to the upside. And then some of us loaded some of the puts down here in this area into the close tomorrow. And we also bought some calls to hedge higher on the CPI data tomorrow. So that was the other thing we said. We expect a move, but we know we have another economic event on Thursday coming out pre-market, the core CPI. Everybody and their goddamn mother is paying attention to this catalyst event. So what does that mean? We're not going to have any crazy, outrageous moves. If you see, we didn't even go and break lows of the day. Okay, but we still closed down, lowest close of the year, something to be noteworthy of. Now, what happens for tomorrow? Tomorrow is as simple as it fucking gets, guys. It can't get any more simple than this. Okay, look, the market trends and the market consolidates, right? Okay, well, we are consolidating in this 356 to 362 really level. Today, we couldn't quite even get above 358, all right? But look at this. Okay, we either break down below and hold below 356, okay, or we break up and hold above 362, okay, and we either go back up to 370 or we go down to 350. That is it. That is simple. You just have to look at the data, though, because in the morning, it will have the reaction to the core CPI. It does not matter, and I will say this again, it does not fucking matter what the number comes in at. I don't care if you called the number right. I don't care if you called it down to the fucking decimal. If you don't make money on it, it doesn't fucking matter. So I'm going to go back to my saying is this. Do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Because you can never be wrong making money. Okay. So stop fucking worrying about who says what. Stop fucking worrying about the exact number coming out. Stop fucking worrying about what the white. Just know, look, my levels, 356 breaks, we're heading to fucking hell. If 362 above us breaks to the upside and hold, we got 366 and 370 on the radar. Okay. So it's that simple. It will be evident tomorrow. It will be a violent move. The whole market and everybody is waiting on it. Okay. So look at me now. Okay. Let's just, I do want to make this point very clear. Okay. Where did we close yesterday? Actually, just so we can, that's the monthly. I'll get to that in a sec. Where did we close yesterday at? Okay. Yesterday we closed right here, right? 357.60. Today we closed 356.50s, right? Something very noteworthy to notice where we closed underneath 2 consecutive days in a row. 200 MA on the weekly. We've closed there 2 consecutive days in a row. Okay. And now looking at this weekly candle, okay, we have a bullish engulfing. We have 2 consecutive days close under the 200 weekly moving average. Okay. And now looking at this monthly, wouldn't it make sense? Wouldn't it make sense for a continued monthly candle down? But where would we go if we got underneath? That brings me to my next point. All the charts are pointing down. It's hard to find a chart that's telling you to go up. Okay. 352 is still my price target by Friday if the market sells off. Okay. Definitely think this 352. Then I have 349 is the 50% COVID retrace. You can see it right here. We'll go ahead and zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. COVID low to COVID high. 50% retrace. Boom. It's right here. So 352, 349 below us. Okay. You'll want to see that. So under 350, close under 356 is 352, 349. Okay. Now above us, if we want to get super froggy up to the upside, because market wants to buy the CPI print tomorrow, it goes, it goes 358, 362, 3, and then, okay. It gets kind of hairy, but if we, let's just say this, if we get above 362 and hold, right? If we get above 362 and hold, I would think as long as we take out this wick of the yesterday's candle of 363, we're going to go easily 366, 370. You guys can all see that above. Okay. You can all see that above. Now, guys, it all depends on the levels tomorrow. So listen to me. I say this every fucking time. Wake up early, digest the levels, post the pre-market highs and lows, post the previous day's highs and low, and still have the previous week's highs and lows on your goddamn chart. And for the love of God, don't do anything fucking stupid. I will see you bright and early in the pre-market. Peace.